Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of subtitles on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about subtitles on YouTube, you will click on Settings. In the first page, you can go to Apps and you will click on YouTube app. Then you can click on First Stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to Storage. Here you can click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.